Yes, welcome to another one. And into this tutorial, we shall be doing the belt for the pulleys that we did earlier. So please, if you're new here, consider subscribing. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, so I want to start with the center line. This is going to be 60 millimeters. To draw one of, 137 minus 2. Yeah, so let me repeat this afresh. Do that. Seven minus 2. That. Those are millimeters. So I want to draw a line. Tangential. To be 465.06. Like that. For 65.06. And this guy is going to be 60 millimeters in diameter. So here we are. Maintain this as our belt. Shall remove that. Remove that. So from here, I want to go to features. First exit the sketch, then I come here and I will the right plane. Like that. So I'll make it to be normal. So I can actually work from this because it may disturb me along the way. Okay, so there we are. The next step is going to be doing a sketch. And that sketch, how we are starting it, we shall start with the midpoint. Like that. 7 millimeters. After that, we shall draw .120. So that 120. Then this is 15 mm. Actually, just make it 13.5. 13.5. Next step is joining this to that, and lastly it's going to be magic. Yeah, so we are sweeping this sketch. This is the path, and the sketch to be closed. So I know it's outlining at this point. Oh, okay. I need to trim off some piece. Is this one? Yeah, so first delete this. Oh, Z. Edit sketch. Then trim. Perfect. So here it should be able to work. And how to prove that? Let's see. Perfect. So here, yeah, this is the belt that we shall be using. Yeah, so you can come here, select the material, maybe it's rubber that you'd like to use. Yeah, let's first do that to see. I've not applied it actually. Selected, but I never applied it, so I'll repeat that step. Okay. Yes, hi everyone, welcome to yet another tutorial. In this tutorial, we shall be doing the rotor keys and the motor keys. Yeah, so remember we created our motor, we created the rotor, we created uh, base plate. So we are at the concluding stage of our project, and from that we shall do the assembly and do the rendering. So keep around. If you're new, please consider subscribing and also turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much. So I'll start with the rotor key. Yeah, and start by making a simple rectangle. It is measuring 15 millimeters.